Well, parents of JCPS preschoolers are scrambling to find childcare.
The district delayed the start of school for preschool 2 weeks to deal with its busing problems, but those issues remain. And as WDRB's Katrina Nickel found out, now there's no date for the school system's youngest learners to head back to class. Katrina?
Right, and Gilbert, that is obviously taxing for parents not knowing when their kids are going to be back in the classroom. JCPS's early childhood students were supposed to return on August 23rd, but the day before that, the district postponed its start, and parents still do not have a set date on when kids will be returning.
1, 2, 3, go!
He has continuously asked, when do I go to my other school?
Gabrielle Farrow has her hands full, keeping track of her 4-year-old son, Hunter. Instead of spending the last 2 weeks in JCPS's early childhood program with his favorite teacher, Hunter is in preschool at the daycare where he spent the summer, along with other JCPS students.
They were like, there's many other parents that are in the same boats.
Early childhood in JCPS was scheduled to start on August 23rd. On the day before, the district announced at least a 2-week delay, not wanting to add 1,800 more kids to its already overwhelmed transportation system. The district switched from 2 start times to 9 and completely revamped routes to deal with a bus driver shortage. But on the first day, the last child got home at 10 p.m. and the district scrambling for a fix.
Quite candidly, we should have anticipated those problems better.
It means a longer delay for Hunter. JCPS sent a letter home Thursday saying it needs additional time to ensure students have reliable, safe transportation, and that it's working to give a better timeline when early childhood will start.
Every time there's any piece of communication right now, it's just kind of indifference.
With no return date in sight,
Do you still miss Miss Brittany?
Farrow is considering something she wasn't 2 weeks ago.
We're even talking about, at this point, pulling him out of the early childhood program and keeping him in the preschool with his daycare.
This mom says she would pay the extra cost for peace of mind and consistency for her rambunctious little boy.
We can't get what we, necessarily want at this moment in time, so what can I do now to help my child?
What about the staff for early childhood with the kids not in school?
Right, well, the district said that its early childhood staff is working and being paid even though students are not there right now. They're either going through mandatory trainings that either would be spread out across the year, but they're doing that all now in a condensed way, and also they are doing required home visits, whether that's in person or virtually.
Just a tough situation for those families trying to figure out childcare for their kids, not sure when school will start. Katrina, thank you.